Alright. Alright. El Nomad. You going, yeah. Turn me up a little bit, 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 a little bit. Woo! Yo, you gon' fail if you believe it so. Slow better than no dough, vibing on SoCo. Extrovert playing the low pro. Hard cold Chicago, esteemed bravado. With common sense enough to let some things go. Liability asset, due diligence with diligence, all in no half step. Priorities in line, mental on the incline. Dig deep for inner strength or a shine. Faith refined, it's my time. End time, stone villain. More so feeling, less worthless. Worship my sole purpose. Flawed creation, cracks and Mr. Perfect. True Leo, riding through, bumping Neo. Beat junkie, used to idolize Primo. Ass swing yo, he know. My daily operation is to define greatness, overcoming hardships, opposing all sparseness. El Nomad, in your saga with the kiss of death like Godfather. Abdullah and Sinai father. Abu Zayd, niggas imprisoned in their own mind, no Abu Ghraib. When the heat's on, bet your picture throw shade. But you can't stop my glow. I'm the golden time of the day, whether joy or pain. Sunshine or rainy days, I maintain. Chillin' with a southern girl, vibing out the maze. Swaze, kid Latch key. Gangsta bitches I need, no Apache. I'm always down like a Black Hawk. To have a fling with a pretty young mommy doing a thing on the catwalk. Slim 9.0, like my women friend chocolate like Rolo. Collect coin like Mario. Roll solo like Dolo. Hit your peoples up in the van. Damn. El Nomad. Blaka.